Hey everybody, today we're here to talk about Top Builder Solutions website tracking and analytics. So what we're going to do here today is we're going to talk briefly about why website tracking and analytics is so important to your sales, discuss briefly how it works, and then we'll show it to you. Okay, so why website tracking and analytics? Well, primarily it's there to gauge the level of interest of your prospects. You'll know which plans are interesting to them by monitoring which pages they're going to on your website, how often they go to them, and how often they stay on them. You'll be able to know how to discuss pricing with them. You'll be able to know which options to present to them, and you'll also be able to know if there's any alternative plans or inventory before they show up for an appointment. You'll be able to know how they found your website, what led them to your website, whether it was a Google search or from some other site. And you'll also be able to know when they return to your website through text or email alerts. On top of that, you'll be able to monitor which pages are being accessed the most to gauge which marketing programs are working. So if you have a marketing program that's intended to drive traffic to a certain page, you'll be able to monitor that and see if your prospects are going to those pages. And you should be using Top Builder Solutions to email your prospects as well with a link to drive them to those pages. So you can track that they opened the email and clicked on the links as well. And then you can monitor how long they're on your website after they do click on that link. You'll also be able to identify who is the most interested in your products or inventory through the analytics, allowing you to see which prospects are going to your website, how many times they return, which pages they're looking at the most, and so on and so forth there. So how does this work? All right, well, first of all, we'll provide you with the code to add to your website so it monitors who's on your website and what they're doing. You'll be able to set your alert preferences so that you can get email or text message alerts. And then once a client registers on your website using one of the Top Builder Solutions contact forms, you'll be able to associate all their past and future web activity to that customer record in Top Builder. Okay, so let's see how this works. Now, I'm on the Top Builder Solutions dashboard. And let's say I'm working with this particular prospect or this particular opportunity who's John and Susan Smith, and they're looking in Briar Grove community. Okay, so John and Susan Smith are looking at a home, one of my homes. They have Sally as an agent. And if I go in here to the web activity tab, I can see over the last 30 days what they have done. I can see John, Susan, and Sally, and what is the website activity for them, which pages are they going to, which pages are most frequently visited, and then when was their last visit, and so on and so forth. You can also suppress alerts that you might get for this particular lead, and that would be for John, Susan, and Sally. Because maybe they've closed and they keep going back to your website and looking at that beautiful home they bought, or maybe they're just not interested, but they keep going back to your website and you don't want to get those alerts anymore. So you can turn that off. Okay, so last night Susan returned to our website, and right here at 10:18 p.m. I received an alert that said, "Hey, Sally's back on your Susan's back on your website, looking at inventory again." So what you can do from that email alert or from that text message alert is you can click on the link that we provide you, and you can imagine this being on your mobile phone. It could be on your desktop, a laptop, or a tablet, and you can look at the details. You know, when did she return to the website, which page did she go to, and it even gives her phone or her email right there so that you might want to contact her. And I wouldn't contact her right away, but you can do that right from these alerts. Okay, and then also if you feel like you're being abused by some of these alerts from Susan or she keeps going back to your website, you can stop those alerts from happening. Okay, great. So that's cool. Now back to Top Builder. I can go in now and look at a report under Web Tracking and Analytics and see over a period of time who's doing what on the website. So I have John Smith, I have Susan Smith, I have Dave Jones, and I have Sally Jones that have been visiting our website. I can set the date range and see what's going on over a period of time, how many new visitors I've had, which is the most frequently viewed page, and then I can see who is spending the most time on our website and go right to them, click on their record, go right to them and call them or email them. Now I have John Smith's activity, that individual's activity right here as well, so I can see in chronological order what he is doing. He's going to the communities page, looking at quick delivery homes, and the last time he returned was well, today. So that's it, and that's how it works. And if you have any questions, let us know. You can reach us at topbuildersolutions.com, and we'll have this video posted there as well. Thank you very much.